Hello, my friends, welcome to my channel, and today I want to share a LV small bag, black leather bag. You can see the bag is like this, and here is a small bag, a coin purse. Yeah, a coin purse hang on the strap. You can see it's round, it's cute. Yeah, here is a Louis Vuitton signature, and the zip. Yeah, that's the zip, and the hardware like this, and this is the strap. Strap. Yeah, the strap. Yeah, now I will show you the bag slowly. Okay, you can see here is a big logo. Yeah, it's a vintage golden. Yeah, no, and the bag is made from real leather. Yes, real leather. Okay, now I show you the side. Yeah, the side. Okay, the hardware. Another side. Okay, the back like this, and the bottom. Okay, the bag you carry it you can carry it by the train. Okay, by the train or by the strap. Okay, by the strap. Yes, it's up to you. Yeah, it's up to you. So now I will open the bag. Yeah, this is the buckle. Yeah, you can see. And the buckle. Now I will show you the inside of the bag. Yeah, the logo is here, and there's a label too. You can see here label. Yeah. Yeah, there's a label. Yeah, you can see. Okay. So this is the bag. The bag is cute. The bag. Okay. And now I will show some accessories. Yeah, this is the instruction book and the cards. The cards, and this is a duster bag, and the silk ribbon. The box, yeah, some papers in it, and the shopping bag. Okay, if you are interested in the bag, you can contact me. Thank you. See you.